see herself in the shiny grille and the white wheels of a red Chevelle with four on the floor and the top down. Chrome, zipping by on an electric glide with dual tailpipes doing 105 in the broad daylight on a two-lane heading out of town. Forget pink and purple paisleys, little mellow yellow daisies. Ain't no pot of gold in her rainbow. Her favorite color is chrome. Yeah, chrome, baby. Got a leg up high on the bumper of my big black Mack truck with a smokestack pointed towards the sky and mud flaps. You know the kind. Chrome. I said, hey, little girl, you sure look nice. You wanna ride? I won't bite. She climbed inside and said, hell no, I wanna drive.